Hello, and welcome to Hearing Healthcare Centre. Let me start by thanking you for supporting us during this very difficult time. As a family-owned micro-business, we really appreciate your continued support. So I understand that you have an upcoming appointment with us. As you would expect, we have taken a huge number of measures to ensure the health and safety of our staff and clients during the COVID-19 outbreak. This video has been designed to walk you through our new procedures and how appointments will be conducted by us during this period. Hopefully, this will provide assurances that your visit will be as safe as possible. When you contact us to make an appointment, our front of house staff will conduct triage in order to assess if the appointment can be conducted by telephone, video call, or by sending you the documented and illustrated instructions. This is all in an effort to minimize unnecessary face-to-face contact. Should an appointment in the clinic be necessary, we ask all clients to have completed our online documentation found on our website and to avoid public transport on their journey to us. All appointment fees will now be charged in advance and paid for over the phone. In addition, all appointments will now carry a £2 PPE charge to cover the increased cost of client masks and shoe covers. On arrival at our clinic, all clients must wait in their car or in our dedicated outdoor waiting sheltered area until they are called into the clinic. Being on time for your appointment is very important, so please ensure good timekeeping. Try not to be early or late. All appointments have a fixed allocated time slot. Unless medical assistance is required, only one client will be invited to attend our clinic at a time. This means that unless you require a health worker, you must attend your appointment alone. Sorry, no family members or friends are permitted at this time. Only one appointment will be scheduled at a time, so you can be assured that you will be the only visitor to the clinic during your allocated time slot. This is to limit unnecessary client contact. Our waiting room will also be kept clear at all times. Once you are called into the clinic, you will be issued a surgical face mask and shoe protectors for the safety of our staff. Please place the surgical masks over your nose, mouth and chin and secure the loops over your ears. To help ensure that even the less mobile of us are able to put on the shoe covers, there will be an automatic shoe cover dispenser in the entrance porch. For additional stability, please use the provided handrail. Simply place 1 foot at a time inside the dispenser and apply downward pressure until the cover wraps around your shoe. Please make sure they are fitted correctly prior to entering the building. These measures are compulsory for all visitors to the clinic, and all personal protective equipment must be worn throughout the appointment and until you have exited the building. For your own safety, please ensure that you do not touch or readjust the mask. Please dispose of all used PPE in the provided bin in the car park. On entering the building, you will be greeted by one of our audiologists, who will take your temperature using a contactless forehead thermometer. You will then be invited straight into the clinic for your appointment. For your protection, your audiologist will be wearing scrubs, and depending on the type of appointment, a surgical or respiratory face mask, a gown, a visor, or eye-protecting goggles. All audiology clinic rooms now have protective acrylic screens, disposable seat covers, and all surfaces and equipment are sanitized with disinfectant before and after every appointment, and at the beginning and end of every day. Social distancing measures will be adopted where possible. Please always stay in your allocated chair unless asked to move. Please notice the social distancing mat, which indicates the distance required between you and others. Your audiologist will only break social distancing measures to perform otoscopy, wax removal, and certain hearing tests where probes need to be placed inside your ears. In line with BSHAA guidelines and the Infection Prevention Society requirements, this will only be done with the necessary recommended PPE. In case you struggle because of difficulty lip reading through masks, we have installed a transcribing monitor which adds subtitles in real time with amazing accuracy. Again, we would like to thank you for supporting us during this very challenging time.